Welcome to Elimu TV, where you watch and learn. I'm teacher Alex Musawa, and I'll be taking you through physics Form 1, titled Rectilinear Propagation of Light. The objectives of this lesson are to investigate the path followed by light as it travels through a straight line. Number 2, to understand how shadows are formed. The first point where we're going to look is that light travels in a straight line. As you can see in the diagram, that the ray of light from the eye is traveling from the candle to the eye is traveling in a straight line. But when we remove the middle cardboard, we can see that the light cannot bend. That shows us that light travels in a straight line. It cannot bend, it does not follow a curved path, but it only travels in a straight line. Number 2, shadows are formed by a point source. As you can see from the diagram, when a ray of light is blocked by an object, what result is a shadow. By an opaque object, a shadow is formed behind the object. As you can see, those are eclipses when there's an object in between a light source, and that results in the formation of a shadow. There is a penumbra and there's a umbra. The penumbra is less darker, and the umbra is more darker. From the diagram, you can see the faces of the moon, and they're changing and varying in color. That means that when there's a time whereby there's a shadow formed on the moon, and when the shadow is formed on the moon does not appear as if it is full. It appears in form of a crescent. As the time goes by, it becomes a full moon. The first thing we're going to look is the lunar eclipse. What is the lunar eclipse? This is an eclipse of the moon, and it results whereby the earth is between the sun and the moon. What happens is that the rays from the sun are blocked by the earth from reaching the moon. Therefore, a shadow is formed on the moon by the earth because the rays from the sun are blocked by the earth. So there is the darker part of the shadow, which is the umbra, and the less darker, which is the penumbra. The second one is the solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is formed when the moon is between the earth and the sun. As you can see from the diagram, the moon is between the earth and the sun. So the rays from the sun are blocked from reaching the earth by the moon. That results in the formation of a shadow on the earth, whereby the darker part is called the umbra and the less darker is called the penumbra. That is a diagram of an annular eclipse. As you can see, the annular eclipse results in a partial, very, very, very thin part of a shadow. An assignment for this lesson is, what is an eclipse? Number 2, describe the formation of solar eclipse occurrence. The reference of our lesson is KLB Physics 5th edition 2019. For more information, contact us on our SMS number, YouTube Elimu TV, Facebook Elimu TV, and Twitter at Elimu TV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.